Hello dear students, this is the second video of this week, class 6th, and in this video I will discuss the following topics. I will discuss about social networking sites and what is social networking. Then I will discuss about web feed, and then I will discuss about other services of internet, that is e-greetings, online gaming, e-learning, e-banking and e-reservation. In the last class, you can see I have discussed the following topics. I have discussed about video conferencing, news groups, blogs, and characteristics of a blog. And I have shown you how you can create your blog by using the websites www.blogger.com or www.blogger.co.in. So, coming to the topic, children, this is your chapter number 10, Internet, e-commerce and Google Drive. So coming to the first topic, social networking. What do you mean by social networking? As the name suggests, social networking means you can connect with the society. A social networking service is an online service, platform or site that focuses on facilitating the building of social networks. And second point, most social network services are web based or internet based, you can say. Online community services are sometimes considered as a social network service through in a broader sense. Social network social network usually means an individual centered service, whereas online community service are group centered. Now, coming to some of the different points related to social networking. Social networking sites allow users to share ideas, activities, events, and interests within their individual networks. So you can take the help of social networking sites and you can be connected to the society. What is happening in the world, you will know, and you will be connected to friends, relatives, or many more persons. And what are the most popular social networking sites? The most popular social networks are Facebook, Orkut, Twitter, etc. So Instagram is also there. You can connect with Facebook or Twitter or Orkut, and you can be connected to the world. But some risk is also there. You can be connected to any stranger who can cheat you. So you must be aware about social networking sites and you must have to take precautions. Most social network services are based on web based. Without internet, this will not work. This type of service will be operated with the help of internet. So this is the main line. This is the main point. Now coming to the next topic, what is web feed? A web feed or news feed is a facility that informs you when the website you are interested in has new content. Suppose some website has some new contents, so it will inform you about that thing. You can see updates from websites at one place instead of visiting multiple links. So suppose you are preparing for job and you have to visit to different links, different websites in search of job. So one very good website is there, that is Sarkari Result. When you type Sarkari Result in Google, you will see all the links will come in the same window. All the links of different jobs will come in the same window. Something like that. monsterindia.com is also there, okay, in which all the links are connected in the website. In your book, some of the web feed, uh, some other web readers are, that is Google Reader, My Yahoo Reader, and Omega Reader. These are also a type of web feed. which are used for visiting multiple links at one place. Now coming to next topic, what are the other services of internet? So first one is e-greeting. What is e-greeting? You can say e-greeting is used for sending greeting cards over the internet. And following are some of the websites that allow you to send e-greetings. One is www.egreeting.gov.in. It is given in your book in page number 117. Second website is www.123greetings.com. Third one is www.americangreetings.com. So these are the websites which are used for sending greetings to your friends and relatives. Now, second service of internet, it is used for playing online games. Online games refer to any type of game that we can play through the internet over a computer network. Nowadays many people are engaged in online playing online games. You can also play chess and other types of games online, ludo online, chess online, and many more games are there. And most of the time online games refer to the video games played over the internet, whereas multiple players are in different locations and they are playing the same game across the world. So you can think how important online game is. Your friends can be anywhere in this world and you can play with him. So it is very entertaining also. Now, third advantage is e-learning. E-learning means electronic learning. You can learn, you can study your chapters online. All the contents related to your book, related to your topics will be given on the internet. Only one thing you require, that is internet facility. And you must have heard about ePathshala. ePathshala contains all the pages of NCERT books. Not only that, it also contains some images, some types of videos so that you can learn it very carefully. Now, e-learning describes an educational programs that integrates technology and learning. So I would like to show you ePathshala. You can see, children, that this is the website. Its URL address is https://epathshala.nic.in. If you write ePathshala in Google also, this page will open. And you can see that there are many different types of, there are many main there are main, these are the buttons which are used by the students. You can go to different login page, like if you want to enter into the student section, you can click on it. If you want to enter into the teacher section, not only students, teachers can also use this website, educators, and these websites are also used by parents. You can also participate in some types of quiz competition and other types of competition by using this ePathshala app. So this is one of the best websites which are used for electronic learning. You can see if you go in the student section, these icons will come. You can click on e-textbook, supplementary books, events, and e-sources. Your book will open and you can study. Now coming to the next topic, e-banking. As you know that e-banking means electronic banking. Internet banking or e-banking means carrying out financial transactions over the internet. The payment made online are termed as electronic payments. Whenever you make payment online, it is known as electronic payments. And for e-banking, you need to register yourself with the bank. They provide a username and password so that you can access your bank account, and you can have transactions, you can have online transactions, and you can use this service. Now, the last topic is e-reservation. Internet is also helpful for e-reservation. Suppose you have to book a flight ticket, or if you have to book a railway ticket or bus ticket, you can book it by sitting at your home. And you know what does e-tickets means? An e-ticket or electronic ticket is a paperless electronic ticket. Whenever you are traveling, no need to take the printout of that ticket. You can show the ticket in your mobile. You have got some types of reservation number, or you have got your seat number, reservation number, etc. on your mobile. You can show your mobile, you can show that message, and you can travel wherever you want to go. So these are used by these electronic tickets are used by passenger to travel by train, bus, or air. And when a customer reserves a ticket either by telephone or by using web, you can reserve any type of ticket by using internet service. The detail of the reservation are stored in the computer, and you will get a message on your mobile device that you have this confirmation number. You will get a confirmation number which is assigned to the passenger along with the flight number or along with the train number. Okay. And at the time of boarding, the passenger simply presents the identification, the ID card. You only have to present your ID card. And suppose you are going with the train, you are going by train, so you have to present your e-ticket in your mobile. You have to show the e-ticket and you have to show your ID so that the TT can recognize you. In this way, you can have this facility. So students, I have completed all the topics. So in the next class, I will come with the next topic, that is podcasting and e-commerce. Okay, thank you children. Thanks for watching this video.